Now, on this episode of how to play song and sing at the same time, we'll be treating your alpha and omega. Now, a few episodes back, I explained how you could sing your alpha and omega by doing. Something like that. Now, if you take note of my left hand, the chords I'm picking are what you will use to accompany yourself when you're singing. So, you are alpha, then you go to so, and omega, right? Or you could as well do you are alpha, and omega. Come back to your do. Then we worship you, our God. That's fa sol la on both hands. We fa sol la. We fa sol, right? We worship you, our God. You are so do. You are so di to be praised. Basically, that's it. Some people would want to change it to we worship you, our God. You are re so you are worthy to be praised. Now the remaining part is mi fa sol la. We give you all the glory. Mi fa sol la. I went to mi fa sol la, so fa mi good. Then we worship you, our God. So we fa and so and la. You are re so. You are worthy to be praised. Or you can do we, you are so. Any of them. Well, I prefer re so do because that has more progression in it, right? Basically, that's how to play your alpha and omega. I hope I wasn't too fast. If I was, pause. Play it on slow motion, whatever you have to do to get the chords. I use the second version of re when I did re. Now if that's too complex for you, just so do. We use re so that so doesn't get too stagnant there. You just use re and introduce so to it. See you in the next episode.